This Southern staple is the epitome of comfort food. Let's make chicken fried steak. Chicken fried steak is neither chicken nor steak, but it's little beef cutlets that are fried up to look like fried chicken, you know what I mean? And it starts with cube steak. First step is to take our steaks and pound them out. Having the little grooves in there is gonna allow the flour coating to stick in there and get it extra crispy. I've got 2 cups of flour in 1 shallow dish. And I'm gonna take a second shallow dish and mix up some baking powder, baking soda, pepper, and salt. Whisk that together and add in some buttermilk, egg, and hot sauce, and garlic, and just mix that to combine. Now we'll start dredging our steaks. First, give them a coat in flour, shake off any excess, then dip it into the buttermilk batter. Allow any excess to drip off of that, and then into the flour again. You wanna coat both sides completely. I'm gonna keep these on a wire rack until it's ready to cook. This recipe takes no Southern shortcuts. We're frying this up in the good stuff. Going in with 3 cups of vegetable shortening. And then I'm just gonna get this heating. We're gonna heat this up to 325 degrees. A good trick to see if your oil is ready is to take a dry wooden spoon, place it in the oil, and if you see bubbles around it, it's ready to go. We'll definitely need to fry up the steaks in batches so we don't crowd our pan or the oil. I'm frying these until they're nice and golden brown. It just takes about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Once you've got these golden brown and crisp, I'm gonna remove them to a paper towel lined tray and tint them with foil so they stay warm while we finish the others. All right, now that we've got them all fried up, I'm gonna drain off most of the fat from the skillet. I'm just gonna leave in about a 1/4 cup and make the gravy. Just set that back over low heat and whisk in the remaining 1/4 cup of flour that we have. Scrape off any bits that are left in the bottom of the pan and then stir in the milk to create that gravy. You've all done this before, and if you haven't, now's the time. Making a skillet gravy like this is like Southern Cooking 101. If you've never done that, this is how you do it, and this is your time to try. I'll cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and thick. Season it with a little salt and pepper, and let's serve it up. This Southern staple is the epitome of comfort food. If that doesn't look like the perfect bite, I don't know what does. That is a Southern treat I have not had in years. Oh my God, so worth it. If you've never experienced this or haven't in a long time, a little chicken fried steak hits the spot.